Cleaning, cleaning, cleaning the room. Cleaning, cleaning, cleaning the room. It's actually really nice and sunny out today, and beautiful. We're gonna be going and doing some cool stuff today. But right now I need to find some cereal because I'm hungry. Starting to feel pretty comfortable on the subway. It's too easy. It's too easy. We got ourselves a little bit lost. It's too easy. We'll figure it out. We would have probably been there by now if we hadn't messed that up. We finally made it to the correct station. That took a while. Now we need an ATM, and we just found one, and a restroom. And then we'll make our way to the fortress. We finally made it. Honestly, the adventure of just getting here has already exhausted us both, but we'll be all right. It's time. Let's do this. We're seeing Korea. Of course, I wore black like an idiot. Super hot. I literally brought tank tops. They're not really the fashion here at all, but I would have been more comfortable. Chris is being my B-reel guy today, so you'll be seeing some of that thrown in there. When you notice the quality go way up, that's why. Got our tickets, we're headed in. So Chris just pointed out to me, he was looking at the map, and this place is really huge, way bigger than I expected. I was just recording a lot of this one area because I wasn't sure how much there was, but it looks like we got a lot to go through. Hey guys, we made it about halfway around, we think. So we're headed back, pretty sure. Just not sure. We're trying to kind of rush a little bit. We got some other stuff to do today, so I'm not sure how much more I'll show. If there's anything super cool, I'll definitely show it. Yeah, that's about half of it. This place is really cool. I really like it here. This is one of the places that was on my list to come to, and I'm definitely glad I got to. So we left the huge wall and we're walking through the city now just to get back to the entrance quicker. To be honest, this is because we have plans with other people that we've made, so we don't have Wi-Fi. We can't even tell them if we're gonna be late. And just so you guys know, if you plan to come here, this was awesome. I'd love to see the rest of it. It looks like it goes up into the mountain. which looks super beautiful. Maybe I'll see it another time, I don't know. But if you plan to come here, just plan to spend a day here. We didn't realize how big it actually was and how long it would take. So yeah, our mistake, but definitely come here and check it out if you're into this kind of thing. But this is a day trip. This area that we're in is actually really pretty, really cool to walk through. I'm kind of glad we actually got off the wall. It was really cool and I'd love to see what was up there, but I don't feel like I regret it at all. This is pretty cool. Mention really quick while it's on my mind that public transportation here is just awesome. I felt this way in the Philippines as well. It just feels like you can get anywhere. It's so easy. If you're not from America, you should know that unless you're deep in a city, you're not gonna find public transportation really at all. And even when you are in the city, depending on the city, it's not gonna be nearly as complex as like it is here or even back in the Philippines. Like, you can really get anywhere for not much money. And I just don't understand why it's not like this everywhere. This should be one of the top priorities for every country, in my opinion. Well, we made it back to our place, but we're in desperate need of an ATM or a bank or unhing soon, because we're both pretty much out of cash, and you have to recharge your card for the train, you have to use cash. So we could use our cards for everything else, but we have to get to a bank or an ATM, and we found multiple ATMs. They don't take foreign cards. Then we found one that does, and we try and do it. We go through the whole thing and it says transaction canceled at the end every time, and we don't really understand why. Our banks know we're here. We can use the cards at restaurants and things like that, so it has to be the ATM. I just hope we can find one. I'm so beat right now. Half of me wants to just lay here and never get up again, and the other half of me is very sunburnt. Hey guys, so with the help of some people that we know here, we were able to find an ATM, but it's not working for Chris. I managed to get some money out, so I'm not broke anymore. Woo! But Chris couldn't get any out. It keeps stopping him. He's gonna have to call his bank, I guess. It really sucks. This is honestly, there's so much I love about traveling, seeing the world and doing this. There's not a lot that I don't like, but one of the things that I don't like is dealing with banks. It's really annoying to me. I mean, Chris had put in, he's having things happen on his debit card for his bank and on his credit card. There's like, they're denying him on everything. And on both of them, he had called them and talked to them and made sure there were notices on his account for the exact countries we were going to be in, when we were going to be there. And they're still denying him. It's so aggravating. We're lucky that we have like Wi-Fi calling so that he can call. And oh my god, I'm burnt where my glasses were. Alright guys, on that note, let's call it a day. This is the beginning of many sunburns to come. It's been a really fun day. I'm kind of sad we didn't get to see the end of the fortress. Chris was, I'm just going to be real, pushing me along. I don't want to get too into all that on here, but he definitely was pushing me along. If I was the only one there, I would have definitely gone and seen the end of it. But yeah, I'm going to try and do something else like this again tomorrow. I don't know if Chris will be coming with me or not. He may have other plans. He's got other things here that he wants to do, which is totally fine with me. I don't mind doing some solo stuff at all. It lets me see exactly what I want to see and show you guys exactly what I want to show you guys without anyone, you know, trying to move me along or anything like that. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you tomorrow.